Well, I never thought I would have to make a video like this, but as you can see from the title, yes, my car got hit, and yes, there's more to it than just that. So, this is just an update video. I figured before I didn't really have much going on, I would at least explain to you guys what's happening. So, I'll go ahead and show you the damage, I guess. So, here's the first set, yes, the first set of damage. So this happened on my way to pick up some food, and someone pulled out onto the frontage road and came a little bit into my lane. And given the circumstances, this really isn't that bad, because I was traveling at like 50 miles an hour and a bigger SUV pulled out into my lane. So this is a tiny car, and in that case, I guess I'm pretty lucky. So pretty good scrape all down the side. The fender or quarter panel, I guess, whatever you want to call it, is dented in for sure. You can tell that it's hard to see, but it curves in a little bit right here, like the bumper of her car struck and dragged along as I drove by, and it's all kind of pushed in right here. You can tell if you see this side and then come look at this side, the fitment is a little bit different. You can see the curve is much more smooth, and it goes over the tire. On this side now, hella flush, but whatever. So that's that. And like I said, I'm frustrated, but I'm sure insurance will take care of it. And it could have been much worse. But I think this is fixable. I've already done all the insurance stuff, and hopefully they're gonna honor the repairs and take care of it, and nothing will come out of pocket. But the car is somewhat drivable. I drove it home from the accident and everything, but now that the fender's pushed in, every time I hit a bump, it does rub on the tire. And these are kind of new tires. They're still good, and I don't really want to ruin that. So I have to figure something out for that. So it gets better. Basically, on my way back, there was another fender bender, and this was to the front of the car. So I got a nice dented in front bumper with some good scratches, a little bit on the headlight, and yeah, so my day yesterday was wonderful. This is exactly what I wanted to happen to the car. As you know, everyone wants their cars to be hit twice in one day. So yeah, looking at it now, it's just making me even more frustrated. So I'm gonna kind of wrap this video up, I guess. But anyways, so regarding this, there's not gonna be really a ton going on with the car in the next couple weeks, I guess. So I'm gonna try to think of something content-wise to where you guys can keep watching, because I want to keep making videos and everyone can watch. But this is just a bump in the road, or bump in the bumper, better say that, I guess. So I'll keep you updated as the car gets fixed and things like that. And yeah, so hit F to pay your respects in the comments below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. We've hit 800 subscribers, and that is a big milestone. I appreciate everyone who's subscribed in the last couple weeks. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to pump out videos and just continue to hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 1,000. 1,000 subscribers would be awesome. So we're getting there, we're getting close. See you guys in the next video.